Hello guys, my name is Alawi. So we want to continue from where we stopped. In the last lecture, we discussed some of the features of the software where we talked about the administrator dashboard. Okay, so now guys, we want to talk about manage academics. You see, this inquiry category is put in place for you to add the inquiry categories because our intention is to create a website for this software. This is entirely back end. Okay, so in the front website where we are going to have contact us page and some other pages. Okay, so in contact us page we are going to have the category where you can add as many categories as possible for your user to click or to submit a ticket you know for example, when you click on add category here, so you can add as many category as you want. All right, so and these are the existing categories. Of course, you can edit, you can delete category. All right, so we want to talk about list categories. You see, list categories is different from inquiry category. When you go back to inquiry category, you can add you know you can add the categories. For example, maybe you want to say you know payment issues. All right, purpose why you are adding you know payment issues. Okay, and whom, it means who is going to attend to that ticket. All right, this is just a mini ticket. All right, information system. So for example, if I say school fees issues, all right, so for school fee, all right, and maybe accountant. All right, so if you click on save now, of course it's going to save the category for you, school fees issues. All right, so if you go to list categories, I mean list inquiries, this is going to display all the inquiries from the school website. You see, these two features, they are not available. We just code them for future reference or for future purposes. Okay, so but of course the school clubs is there. Every other things, they are available aside from the inquiry category and list inquiries. Okay, so let's move on to the school clubs. You see, school clubs talks about the clubs available in your school. It could be agric club, jet club, science club, technology club, IT club, and so on. Type the club name, the description, and the date added. All right, so this is going to display here. You can as well edit the club information and also delete the club information. So let's move on to the manage circular. You see, circular talks about maybe you want to send a circular to the teachers or to the staff of your school. For example, there is going to be meeting after the closing hour today. So add the circular. Once you add the circular, all the members of the school, I mean the staff, of course, will see the circular in their respective pages. So you can add reference number, content, the date, and also it's going to be displayed here. You can edit circular and also you can delete circular. So let's go to syllabus. You see, syllabus talks about the like a guide for teacher, all right, in a term or in a section. Okay, so if you are an administrator, school administrators, of course you are going to understand what syllabus is all about. You see, syllabus is just like a guideline of what is going to be taught in a particular term or a section. All right, so you type the title of the syllabus, type the description, select the class through which you want to create syllabus or you want to upload syllabus for. Then you select the subject also. Then you are going to, of course, browse for the file of the syllabus, and once you have the file, then click on add syllabus. Of course, it's going to list the classes here. We have just one class. Okay, and when you select the class, of course it's going to display the subject added to that class. All right, we are of course going to still get there. So the classes available in your school will be displayed here. So if you want to browse the syllabus for each of the class, then you click on that class. So once you click on that class, of course the color has changed. It's going to display the syllabus available for that class. For example, I want to say, math syllabus. Okay, then description. Let's select this class. Let's select mathematics. So I'm going to pick a file. All right, so let me pick a file. Okay, then click on add syllabus. Okay, so if I click on nursery 1, of course we should see the syllabus here. Have you seen it? So you can download the file. It's going to download the file for you. You can also delete the syllabus. If you click on delete, it's going to delete the syllabus for you. All right, so it's just like a guide for your teacher to go through so that they will know what they want to teach in a particular subject in a term or a section. Okay, so still on the manage academics, so we want to talk about the manage event. You see, this manage event works with the SMX gateway, and of course you have to type the notice board title, the location. It's just like an event. Okay, the location of the event, the content, the date. Then if you select notify or send SMS, it's going to send this notice board or the event, okay, to all the members of the school, including the teachers, the parent, the students, so that they'll be aware that there is an upcoming event in the school. And this is the pre-added notice board information. All right, so you can also edit that, and of course you can also delete. Okay, if I click on this guy, and of course it's going to delete everything for me. So let's delete the other notice board. All right, so guys, so far we have been able to cover manage academics. So in the next tutorial we are going to talk about manage employees. So thank you, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.